Samsung S23 Ultra does not turn on. The information in the mobile phone is very important. It can be seen from the appearance. The machine has fallen hard. Now it needs to be repaired to keep the quality. Fallen machine. We need to observe its current as a first step. Battery interface, inductance of limited viewership, solder wire on the inductor. There's no such interface. Alligator clip, power on test. After power on, the leakage was detected to be 51 milliamps. Press the power button without any extra power on current reaction. Then the first step is to determine the main power supply short circuit. A short circuit was found during the actual measurement. At this time, we need to lock the short circuit first. Is it a chip or capacitor? After the machine fell hard. There are many reasons for short circuits. We can only do it by power on now. Let it generate a large current to determine the hot spot. Short circuit. Current it needs to move around will be very large. First merge the positive ends of the three capacitors. The current will be higher. Can be under thermal imaging to quickly lock the heating position. Okay, but when the two ends are powered on, we found no leakage. Then there must be no hotspot. Press the power button again to take a look. It's a little weird now. When the two terminals are powered on, this machine can be turned on directly. When one end is powered on, hey, that's fine. Oh, that's fine too. Then it was just a main power supply short circuit.
Our power supply is 30 volts and 10 amps because of ICS.
It's 300 watts at full load. We should have just been powered on at the two terminals. Has penetrated this short circuit. Take a look at the thermal imaging below. So, it was faulty just now. But when we power on, this fault has been removed. It's fixed.
The temperature of this solder wire is over 100 degrees.
The principal is our maintenance home. The power output of this power supply is very large, very high current. And let's see, this is 183 degree solder paste. Under the state of continuous current output. It's 180 degree tin can be melted immediately. For the failure just now, it has been repaired by this high current. Now we can install the test. Plug in the charger. Light up normally. Then the Samsung S23. And before we knew it, we had it fixed. The data must have been preserved. Alright, bye-bye.